Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another road trip vlog. Today we are driving towards Murter, the island of Murter, where I usually spend my summers. But as you can see, we have quite a lot of traffic in front of us. We don't have too much of driving today. We are on a tour around Adriatic coast, so you can also watch the first two parts. So we went from Zagreb to Makarska Riviera, and then we also went from Makarska Riviera towards Dubrovnik, and the vlogs of those trips are already out, and today's focus will be Murter. People are getting the ticket over there, but we have ants, so we will just put it here. Device found, and we are good to go. It's Sunday, so quite a busy day on the highway, but hopefully in this section that we have to cover today have traffic jams or similar. But as you can see, on the way back towards Zagreb, people are practically standing and going very slow. It is always like this, usually, of course, during the summer in most of Europe, and here as well. So you will see also that you need to be careful. I mean, if you happen to be there when it opens, then you need to wait for around 20 minutes, I believe. And since we are in the middle of this road trip, we don't start with the full tank of fuel, so what I'm gonna do is take the next petrol station and refill the car. And also in Murter, there is only one petrol station which doesn't have 100 octane fuel, so I prefer to put the full tank of fuel before arriving at Murter.
Please follow the road for 29 kilometers. Please follow the road for 29 kilometers.
There we go, filling up the car. Here is the price, €1.94 per liter. Filled up the car and we are ready to continue the trip. So we put some fuel, and now of course we are ready to continue our trip towards Murter.
On the right towards Road 59.
And
please
here is
follow
our
the northwest
exit.
Lane.
And augmented reality. Cool and useful
Now
feature.
exit right towards Road 59.
Let's see if there will
Approaching
be
toll booth.
traffic at the toll booth. So you see now, instead of waiting, we just go here and it's lane, and we will save some time this way.
In 300 meters at the end of the road, turn right.
One of many speed traps on the route today, so we have around 20-30 minute drive from the highway to the island itself, and on this section you have plenty of speed cameras, including this one on our right. And after a few minutes, another one. This one is on our left.
Speed trap reported ahead.
And we are now officially on the island of Murter. This town is called Tisno, and then we are going towards Murter and Bettina, which are the other towns. There's also Jezera actually. So those are the places here on the island. This is the new roundabout. It's been finished like 2-3 weeks ago, something like that.
Please follow the road for 2 kilometers.
This is now the entrance to Bettina. We're gonna be spending our time here. As you can see, lovely church in the distance. And since we will be here for a few days, we're gonna include the clips from other days as well, where hopefully there will be better weather than today's. And fast forward to another day. Today we have much more beautiful weather, so I decided to film now and show you. So let's start first of all with the gorgeous view behind us. So next to my gorgeous C-Class, we have this view. I mean, amazing. Just look how magnificent this looks. You also have the beautiful sunset here, and you can just park, relax, chill, and you know, admire this right here in front of you. And now we will go on a little drive around the island. On our left, the view that you just saw recently, and yeah, we are now driving. I'm gonna take you on a walking tour of Bettina, which is where we are staying. I think you will love that. Very nice and charming place with a lot of stone houses. And here on our left, another gorgeous view. And now soon we will enter the city of Murter. Here's the marine, so you can see some lovely cars, Maybach and Bentley Continental GT. Look at this, what a nice combo with the same plates. I mean, not the same, but from the same country. We are walking through Bettina, so let me switch the camera and show you the view. So as you can see, a lot of stone houses, and now I will take you on a little tour